Morning dear kids. Today I am taking you exercise 21E. In that we are doing problem number 6. It says if 2 sine A is equal to 1, 2 sine A is equal to 1. Now my dear kids, can I take this 2 on this side? So that will be sine A is equal to half. If you just take your tables and find the value of A, you will notice half you are getting as sine 30. So value of A will be equal to 30 degree. Once you got value of A as 30 degree, you have to put it into this equation which says left hand side as sine 3A, and you have to prove that it is equal to RHS. RHS is 3 sine A minus 4 sine cube A. I'll put the value of A, and that will be sine 3A, that is sine 3 into 30, that is sine 90, and value of sine 90 is 1. So I got left hand side as 1. What about right hand side? I'll put 3 sine A, that is sine 30, minus 4 sine cube 30. Yes, now I will put the value of sine 30. Sine 30 is half, minus 4 again sine 30, that is half, and uska cube we will take it. So that is half ka cube. Once you will solve this, my dear kids, even for this you will get answer as 1. Getting my point clear? So once you got that, you can say hence proved. Similarly for your second also, I'll erase this. I am taking 6th ka second. In that second you have 4 cos square A minus 3 is equal to 0. I will keep 4 cos square here and 3 here. Cos square A is equal to 3 upon 4. That will be cos A will be equal to, I'll take the root of 3 upon root of 4, that is 2. So I got cos A is equal to root 3 upon 2, and in my tables if I'll check, I'll get 3 upon 2 as the value of cos 30. From here I got value of A as 30 degree. Now I'll put value of A in my left hand side, that is cos 3A, that is cos 3 into 30, that will be cos 90 degree, that is 0. So I got left hand side as 0. I'll go for right hand side. 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. I'll put the value of A as 30 degree. I'll put the value of cos 30 and make the cube. Cos 30 is root 3 upon 2. And the cube minus 3 cos 30 I'll put through root 3 upon 2. Yes, my dear kids, when you take cube of root 3 upon 2, you will get 4 into 3 root 3 upon 8 minus 3 root 3 upon 2. Got my point clear? You can go for 4 ones are, 4 twos are. So you will get 3 root 3 upon 2 minus 3 root 3 upon 2, that is 0. Next is question number 7, which says, in that you have your first, which goes for 2 tan 35 upon cot 55. Now for 2 10 evaluate, that means you have to give the value. I will keep tan 35 as tan 35. Cot 55, can I write tan 35? That is cot 90 minus theta. Cot theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta. Okay. Then cot 55, I'll keep cot 55. And down tan 35, I'll write cot 55. Minus 3 for sec 40, I will keep sec 40. For cosec 50, I will write sec 40. Now you will notice I can eliminate all of them. So that will be 2, 1 plus 1 minus 3 into 1. That will be 2, 2 minus 3. That will be 2 minus 1. Are you getting my point clear? Yes. So here I have, okay. This 2, I'm so sorry kids, this 2 will be only with the first bracket. I'm sorry I haven't put the bracket here. So 2 into 1 plus 1 minus 3. So that will be 2 plus 1 minus 3. That is 3 minus 3. That is equal to 0. In that you have many problems. I'll take fourth now. Let's see what fourth is saying. Fourth is cos 40 cosec 50 plus sin 50 sec 40. Now for cos 40 I will not change. I will keep it cos 40 only. For cosec 50 I will write sec 40. For sin 50 I will keep it sin 50 only. For sec 40 can I write cosec 50? Now my dear kids, cos 40 I will write cos 40. For sec 40 I will make it 1 upon cos 40 so that this will be reduced. For sin 50 I will keep it sin 50. For cosec 50 I will write 1 upon sin 50 so that again this can be reduced. So my answer is 1 and 1, that will make 2. Yes my dear kids, are you getting my point clear? Shall I take 6th, 7th, sorry. Shall we go for 7th? Yes, let me take a fresh page. 7th goes 3 cos 80 cosec 10 plus 2 cos 59 cosec, cosec 31. Let's see what we can do. I'll keep 3 cos 80. For cosec 10, can I write sec 80? I will keep 2 cos 59 as it is. For cosec 31, can I write sec 59? The only thing is you should remember that sec theta is equal to cosec 90 minus theta. Similarly, cosec theta is equal to sec 90 minus theta. These identities you have to remember. Now 3 cos 80, I'll keep it as it is. For sec 80, I will put 1 upon cos 80. Again for 2 cos 59, I'll keep it as it is. For sec 59, I'll put 1 upon cos 59. I can reduce this. So my answer is 3 into 1 plus 2 into 1. So my final answer is 5. Next I am taking your proof that tan 55 plus x should be equal to cot 35 minus x. Now my dear kids, if it is tan theta, तो मैं लिखती हूँ cot 90 minus theta. If it is tan x, तो मैं लिखूंगी cot 90 minus x. Similarly, if it is tan 55 plus x, तो मैं लिखूंगी cot 90 minus bracket 55 plus x. Are you getting my point clear? Now tan 55 plus x is equal to cot, open the bracket inside, 90 minus 55 minus x. Solve the bracket, you will get cot 90 minus 55 is 35 minus x. So hence I can say Tan 55 plus x is equal to cot 35 minus x. Yes, my dear kids. Can you prove second and third one like this? Next we have problem number 10. In that I am taking your problem number 1, which says on the left hand side you have 1 upon sine A minus cos A minus 1 upon sine A plus cos A. This is your left hand side, and on your right hand side you need 2 cos A upon 2 sine square A minus 1. In that case, what you will do, let's take the LCM down. Sine A minus cos A, and here sine A plus cos A. So can I write sine square A minus cos square A? When you multiply, you have an identity A plus B. A minus B will become A square minus B square. Similarly, sine plus cos A and sine minus cos A will become sine square A minus cos square A, and up it will be cross multiplied so that it is sine A plus cos A minus bracket sine A minus cos A. Getting my point clear? Now when I open bracket, the numerator it will be sine A plus cos A minus sine A plus cos A, and the denominator will be sine square A minus cos square A. Sine A हो गया reduce. Your answer will be 2 cos A upon sine square A minus cos square A. Instead of cos square A, I will prefer to write minus 1 minus sine square A. Yes, why I have written instead of cos square A 1 minus sine square A? Because you have sine square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So if I take this cos square A on this side, it will be sine square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. So instead of, and vice versa, if I want cos square A here, it will be 1 minus sine square A. So instead of cos square A, I have written 1 minus sine square A. Once I open the bracket, I will get 2 sine square A minus 1, which is the right hand side of your required part. Is that clear? Let's take one more. I'll take question 5 of this, problem number 5 of question 10. Let's see what it says. It says sine A minus cos A in one bracket. In other bracket you have 1 plus tan A plus cot A, and it should be equal to sec A upon cosec square A minus cosec A. Let's start solving the left hand side, and you will see sine A minus cos A I am writing as it is. For again 1 plus tan A I am writing sine A upon cos A. Can I write that? And for cot A I am writing cos A upon sine A. Once I got this, I'll take sine A minus cos A. I'll keep it as it is. I'll take LCM of my required this bracket, sorry. So it will be 1 upon nothing means here cos A. I'll take cos A. Okay, I can also do like this. I will multiply. So you can see here what I have done. I have taken LCM of the bracket, that is cos A sin A. I have multiplied. To this 1 I have given cos A sin A. To this sin A I have given sin A, so that becomes sin square A. To this cos A I have given cos A, so that it becomes cos square A. Getting my point? And down it will be cos A into sin A. Now my dear kids, sin square A plus cos square A is 1. So I have put 1 here. And this sin A cos A I have taken down. And upon cos A into sin A. And outside this sin A minus cos A is still there. Now if you notice, अगर हम लोग दो नंबर्स लिख रहे हैं, जो डिनोमिनेटर होता है sin A cos A, वो cos A sin A के साथ भी है, वो 1 के साथ भी है. तो जो cos A sin A के साथ है तो वहाँ से वो कट हो जाएगा एंड द रिमेनिंग विल बी 1 अपॉन cos A sin A into sin A minus cos A. So I will get sin A minus cos A into 1, that is sin A minus cos A, and down cos A into sin A. Now my dear kids, you have to open up your right hand side and it will easily, you will get the left hand side, that is, sorry, same like left hand side, that is sin A minus cos A upon cos A sin A. On both the sides you will get like this same answer.